Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be showing you a cat Halloween face tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. I'm going to start off by priming my face with the Wet n Wild Correct, and remember, a little does go a long way. Now I will be using my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil for my eyebrows. And now I'm going to go ahead and get some tape, and I'm going to put it to guide me with my eyeshadow and my eyeliner. I'm going to be using Morphe Up Till Dawn Artistry Palette. Make sure you blend very well. Now I'm going to be using this black just to kind of like smoke it out, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. I'm using the LA Color Shimmer in the shade Gray. Now I'm also using my LA Colors eyeliner. Make sure to drag it out, and again, don't be afraid to make mistakes. As you can see, now I'm using my NYX eyeliner, and I'm doing this to kind of trace over the smoky lines that I had made before. I am done using the tape, so I'm taking it off. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Wet n Wild foundation. I'm also going to be using the e.l.f. setting spray before I start blending out my foundation. I'm using the concealer from Wet n Wild. I am using my LA Colors contour stick, and I'm just going to contour wherever I want to look snatched. Make sure to blend it well. I'm going to be using the Hello Kitty ColourPop Cosmetics blush. And now I'm going in with the Ioni eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to be using this for my nose to create the nose of the cat. Now I am dragging a line straight down to my lip. I am using my NYX liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to use this to make the little dots. Going in with my black LA Colors lip pencil to outline my lips, and now LA Colors black lipstick to use it on the top lip. I'm also going to be doing my whiskers now using my NYX liquid eyeliner. Do not be afraid of this step, guys, just do the lines. I'm using this Ellen Tracy pink for my bottom lip to kind of mix it with the black a little bit. Ioni lashes. This is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.